18 hours. An 18-hour study day. The very idea feels like a punishment, a guaranteed one-way ticket to burnout and misery. You've heard stories of students doing it, and you've probably thought, how is that even possible without crying? You've been asking the wrong question. The goal isn't to force yourself to work for 18 hours. The trick is to stop working at all. The trick is to log in. For one day, you will treat your subject not as a chore, but as a full immersion RPG. You're not a student anymore. You are a player, and your mission is to explore, grind, and conquer the world of your subject. This is the FullDive protocol. Phase 1. Character creation, the night before. You never start a game without creating your character and setting your options. Your FullDive day is no different. The night before, you must prepare your world. Design your UI. Create a simple, clear, time schedule for your 18-hour day. From 6 a.m. to midnight. This is your quest log. It removes the need for decision-making. Prepare your inventory. Get your snacks, your water, and your meals ready. Every moment you spend deciding what to eat is a moment you are lagging. Load the game world. Download the podcasts, documentaries, and video essays you'll need for your immersion phases. Change your phone and computer wallpaper to a key diagram or formula sheet. You are terraforming your environment. Phase 2. The 18-hour FullDive, the gameplay loop. The reason gamers can play for 18 hours is because the activity is varied. You will do the same. Your 18 hours are broken into 3 gameplay modes. 1. Boss raids, 5 hours of high-intensity grinding. This is the only hard studying you will do. These are your 50-minute, hyper-focused, deep work sessions where you tackle the final boss of each chapter, the hardest practice problems and past paper questions. This is high energy, high reward, and you should only do about 5 to 6 of these blocks throughout the day. 2. Side quests, 7 hours of skill building. This is the fun part of the grind. It's lower stress but still incredibly productive. Your side quests include crafting, reorganizing your notes, creating beautiful mind maps and summary sheets. Skill training, watching engaging video essays or lectures on the topic. Party quests, explaining a concept to a friend or family member to solidify your own understanding. 3. World exploration, 6 hours of passive immersion. This is the secret to avoiding burnout. This is how you learn while you rest. World exploration is about passive immersion in your subject. Listen to a related podcast or audiobook while you go for a walk, your mount. Have a relevant documentary playing in the background while you cook or clean, gathering resources. Read a historical fiction novel for your history class, or watch a sci-fi movie for physics inspiration. You are constantly keeping your brain logged in to the game world, but without draining your core mental energy. The logout, non-negotiable rest. Even in a world where you live in the game, you have to sleep. The remaining 6 hours of the day are for non-negotiable rest. And your short breaks for meals and stretching during the day are your health potions. If you ignore them, your HP will hit 0, and you will be forced into a logout by pure exhaustion. Do not let that happen. Conclusion. So, what's the trick to studying for 18 hours without crying? The trick is that you only study in the traditional, painful sense for about 5 of them. The rest is a cleverly designed, full immersion system that turns a brutal grind into an epic adventure. You have to stop thinking like a student who is forced to work, and start thinking like a gamer who chooses to master the world they are in. That is the mindset of a beater.